Hey girls, so I got a new wig, I got a new color, and baby, I don't even know how to act. First of all, we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it because this wig, this color is everything. Definitely giving spring, summer girl vibes, yes. Like, girl, listen, I honestly was not expecting for this wig to snap the way it did. So, we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it. So, let's get into how this wig looks when you first get it out the mail, okay? So first off, before we even jump into it, big shout out to My First Wig for sponsoring today's video. So this is their blonde 10-inch bob, and girl, I look real crazy right now. And like I said earlier in the introduction, I was not expecting for this wig to snap the way it is going to snap. So this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the lace has been bleached. Now I will say the blonde highlights in the front of the wig was a little bit lighter, but my shampoo actually made it more like a gray color, so I'm hoping that it kind of goes back to like a lighter blonde shade. But yeah, so the 6-inch parting space on this wig is nice, and the pre-plucked hairline as well. Now I did not have to worry about doing any type of bleaching to the lace, which saved me a lot of time for this install. So because I do want this install to be kind of flat and a little sheen to it, I'm going to go in with the wax stick just to get rid of any type of flyaways. Now this hairline honestly did not look pre-plucked to me at the very beginning. I'm like, girl, this is not no pre-plucked hairline. But once I started smoothing out the hairline, I started feeling myself, like, for real. Like, I was like, okay, this little wig might be onto something. And so of course this is a glueless install, so you can go in with some Got To Be Glue hairspray, or you can use gel, or you don't have to use anything at all to secure your wig down. So like I said, I thought this wig did not come with the pre-plucked hairline, but as I'm smoothing it out with the hot comb and I'm going in with the spray, I can definitely see a more natural, not over plucked hairline. So yes, girl. I really do love the hairline on this wig. I was about to go in and add baby hairs, but I was like, nah, I want it to just be like a real clean pushback hairline for this particular wig. So even though I'm pulling out baby hairs right here, I'm not going to do baby hairs. But see how this lace is definitely giving scalp? Really nice quality lace. I will honestly say my first wig has stepped it up with this wig, for real, because like the density and how full it is, the color, the lace, the pre-plucked hairline, the 6-inch parting space that doesn't even need any type of plucking. Like, okay, my first wig, y'all over here showing out right now. I just absolutely love the body and the fullness in this wig, and I also like that it's 10 inches, so it's a different length than what I normally go for with my wigs. But like, look how I comb the hair back, and it just gives such a natural hairline. And I also noticed, like, if you comb your hair a certain way, you see more of the blonde highlights. And if you don't want the highlights to show like a whole lot, you can actually like comb your hair in a different direction. See what I mean? Y'all, this wig is so nice. I have already asked them, does this wig, this exact wig, come in black? So I'm waiting on her to respond and let me know, because I need this wig in black, and I also need it in like a full blonde wig, because I am in love with this bob. So yeah, I this wig in black and blonde for sure. So like I said, depending on how you comb the hair, if you want less blonde highlights, you just simply comb over the highlights and boom, you got a different wig. Okay girls, so this is the look. Super cute, easy, quick install. Anybody can install this wig because it's pretty much a put on and go type of wig, and I am just loving this blonde streak in this wig. Like, y'all, girl, I will have everything below in the description part. This wig in color is perfect for the spring and summer, and I am in love with the length because it's just gonna keep me cool in the summer instead of having like hot hair all on my neck and in my face and stuff. So everything will be below. Thank y'all for watching, and big shout out to My First Wig again for sponsoring today's video. Bye.